Good morning guys, and welcome to a beautiful day here on Tioman Island in Malaysia. In this video will be teaching you all about what it's like to be a diving instructor here in Malaysia. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be heading to the swimming pool, and I am going to be doing some pool skills with my student. I'm going to be teaching her all the skills that are necessary for the open water course here in Malaysia. The next thing we're going to be doing after the pool session is we are going to be heading out to the ocean, just to the shore dives right here on our doorstep. We literally have the ocean right here. It's so close, and it looks flat and stunning today. We're going to be going out for the first 2 dives of the open water course, and I'm going to be doing some of the skills. We're going to have a look at some of the amazing corals, the amazing fish life, and some of the awesome marine life we've got here on Tioman Island. Tomorrow we'll be waking up nice and early, and we are going to be going on the boat dives, and we're going to be doing the final 2 dives of her open water course. We're not only going to be doing that during this, guys, we're going to be showing you what it's like to actually be a diving instructor here on a tropical island. All the things we get up to, the things we get up to in the evening, where we eat, where we drink, and basically just show you the amazing life that dive instructors live. Guys, let's get into it. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and let's head to the pool. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're just putting the equipment together. We did actually have a session yesterday in the pool, so she's already pretty much a professional already. So we are just getting her to put the equipment on first. Once she's got the equipment on, we will jump into the pool and finish off the last few sections. So there are 5 sections within the course of the open water. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already done the first 3 sessions, so all we've got to do is finish off 4 and 5. And once we've done that, we can then jump out into the ocean. Right, so we've just finished the pool session. What we're doing now is we're going to head out into the ocean just here, and we're going to do the first ever dive. Are you excited for your first dive?
Yes, I am. Can't wait. We are here now in the ocean for our first dive. Okay, it's just gorgeous, stunning. So we're going down to do our first dive now. We're not going to be doing too much videoing because obviously we need to concentrate on the student, but let's go enjoy it. And we've got the king here himself. Woo! The kingpin himself. Right, let's go diving. So after finishing the first 2 dives, we normally relax a little bit, probably get some more food. I did have a little snack earlier on, and definitely hit the bar later on. Now we do have bikes here. We rented some scooters because I don't actually live on the island permanently, so we rented some scooters, and we'll probably drive to the other town, maybe hit up some of the shops over there just to get some bits and bobs. But apart from that, it's time to relax, because tomorrow morning we've got our last 2 dives, so we don't go too heavy on the bar tonight like we did last night. And yeah, let's go. Right, okay, so guys, we are going to go and jump on the bike now and go and get ourselves some food. Some of the other guys we're with are already at the place, so we're going to go and just go meet them. We don't actually know how far down it is, so we're just going to jump on the bike just so we don't have to walk too far. But yeah, so we have started the first part of the course. It's almost finished, and now we're going to scoot on down, get some food, and just relax for the last part of the day. This is the best part of diving. When you finish for the day, you've just got tropical island to relax on. So that's what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Right, so we have just had the nicest nap you could ever imagine, and it was so good. We are now going to head down. One of the main things you have to do on the island is there isn't a gym or anything, so you need to find ways of keeping fit. Obviously diving is a way of keeping fit, so we're going to head down to the beach, do a little bit of a workout. Unfortunately, one of the guys we came with has got rings, so we're going to go and do a little bit of a workout, keep ourselves feeling fit, looking fit, and then we'll take the drone up, have a little fly around the island, get some nice shots. Then after we finish that, we will get some food and we will go to the bar, have a few beers, and then call it a night nice and early. But yeah, that's it, and look at this, just stunning, absolutely amazing. Right, let's head on down to the other end of the beach for a little workout. Right, okay guys, we have just got back to the room. We've had a couple of drinks, we've had some dinner, and we're going to go to bed nice and early tonight because we're getting up super early so we can get out to the islands further out so we can do our morning dives, which will be dive 3 and 4 for my student. She's just gone to bed as well. So yes, we're really excited about that. We'll see you in the morning for all the diving and all the gorgeous coral reefs, and so hopefully we'll see some cool turtles, maybe some sharks and some other cool stuff as well. But for now, we're going to head to bed and we'll see you in the morning. Also guys, I just want to quickly say, if you do enjoy the channel, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you give all the videos a great big thumbs up for me, because it really does help me. And if there's anything else you would like to see, make sure you put it in the comment sections below, and I will try and get as much content as I can in, because things are starting to slowly open up here in Malaysia now, because I am double vaccinated, so I can do a little bit more stuff. But yeah, back to the video. Good morning, good morning. So it is now time to go for our last
2 dives. First of all, we're going to get some coffees, then we're going to head over to the jetty right over here, and then we're going to start our last 2 dives, and then she'll be a complete open water diver.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home.
Right, okay guys, so I hope that gave you a nice little insight to what it's like to be a dive instructor here in Malaysia. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, please, please, please do that, it'll help me out massively. But for now guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.
No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that